thing to Printify using Etsy is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay to your Printify store using your Etsy. So for that, you simply have to, create a Printify account as well and an Etsy account as well. In Etsy, you have to set up your shop. After that, you have to go to Printify. In the Printify, you have to go to catalog. Select any of the products that you want to design and list on Etsy. So suppose I have these products which I've created. You need to list those products into Etsy. In order to do that, you simply have to, select any of the products that you want to design. After the design, as you guys can see in the publish settings, I currently don't have any store connected to it. But in your case, it should be Etsy. You will be able to, publish it in the Etsy. Now, you will also have a store set up at Etsy, and when someone buy your product from the Etsy, he will pay to the Etsy, and Etsy will automatically pay to the Printify. Printify will send the product, and you will be able to get paid. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.